This is something really fucking stupid, but I'm doing it anyways. I got a shitty 4-inch Creative subwoofer plugged in via RCA to 3.5 to a 1/4-inch input on a crappy Squire amp. Both plugged in. Input to my cell phone via whatever the fuck this is. I don't know, like 3.5, 2.5. I guess we'll play some music. Alright, now we just got... We're getting, nothing. Oh. It wasn't plugged in all the way, maybe. Oh, we're getting something. Man. This sounds so great. Oh, I know why. Fucking stupid me. Gotta turn the fucking... Ah! Jesus fuck! Alright, now it's time to play some jams. Oh my god! Oh! Dad! It sounds great. It sounds just like real tunes. I love this song. It's so good.